How to install 3-light mason jar linear chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Slip the tube along wires, then thread onto the nipple till snug. Thread the loop onto the nipple of the top of tube until snug. Attach the quick link to connect the chain and the loop on the trim. Install bulbs. Place the glass shade over the bulb and thread it onto the cap. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.